see the shape you're in. Finger on your eyebrow and left hand on your hip, thinking that you're such a lady killer. Think you're so slick. Well, alright. Brother Johnny, he caught a plane and he got on it. Now he's a razor in the wind, and he's got a pistol in his pocket. They say the man is crazy on the coast. Lord, there ain't no doubt about it. Well, alright. Sister Sue, tell me, baby, what are we gonna do? And she said, take 2 candles and then you burn them out. Make a paper boat, light it and send it out. Send it out now.
Rosita, ¿a dónde vas con mi carro, Rosita? Usted sabe que te quiero, pero usted me quita todo. Ya me robaste mi televisión y mi radio, ahora quiere llevar mi carro. No me haga así, Rosita. Ven aquí. Usted qué salado, Rosita. Oh.
Spanish soul, Spanish soul. Hey Johnny, they're looking for you, man.